Hello everyone, my name is Annu Kumari and I am from class 9th A. I am here to present a PowerPoint presentation on the topic diseases and their causes. This is the flowchart. From that, you get a basic idea of what is going to be in this presentation. So firstly, we will have to know what is disease. A disease is any condition that causes discomfort, pain and distress. Signs and symptoms provide information about the presence of a particular disease. Did you know what is the difference between signs and symptoms? Signs provide us possibility of a particular disease but not conclusive evidence. Doctor looks for signs of a disease in a patient and connect these signs to actual symptoms of the disease. For example, if a doctor finds that a patient's skin is hot, then he measures the temperature to check for fever. Symptoms is a phenomenon that arises from and accompanies a particular disease or a disorder and serves as an indicator of the disease. Symptoms are generally felt by the patients. For example, the symptoms of common cold are a runny nose, sneezing, and headache. Types of diseases. There are two types of disease. First, congenital disease. These diseases are present since birth. It is caused due to genetic disorder or abnormality. Second, acquired disease. The disease which may occur after birth during one's lifetime. Types of acquired disease. First, infectious disease. Disease that spread from one person to another are called infectious or communicable disease. They are usually caused by microorganisms called pathogens. For example, cholera, chickenpox, malaria, etc. Second, non-infectious diseases. Diseases that do not spread to others are called non-infectious or non-communicable disease. For example, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, asthma, etc. Types of non-infectious disease. First, deficiency disease. These are caused due to nutritional deficiency such as minerals or vitamins in the diet. For example, anemia. Second, cancer. This is an abnormal, uncontrolled and unwanted growth of cells. For example, breast cancer. Third, allergies. This is caused due to hypersensitivity of the body to certain foreign substances. Thank you and have a nice day.